appreciate your guys' help.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It's just standing. You guys only got 150 more loads, wheelbarrow loads, so
Yeah, not bad.
it won't be too bad. It's just 90% humidity, the most humid day of the year. But it'd suck if it was easy.
True.
Yeah. Hey, thanks, Jesus, for coming over and helping.
Yep.
I'll hook you up with some original privateer swag, man. Some merch.
Bye.
You want me to put a little board across there, dog?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just take it with speed.
Okay. Yeah, just right next to that. We're gonna fill in all this low area here, and then we're gonna plate pack it. Perfect, dogs. We're gonna fill in this low area right here. Get the grade flowing right, the water sheds away. Put a little artificial turf in. This is for the grandkids. Judy did that yesterday. She's like a workhorse. Hey Zeus, how many wheelbarrows do you think that was, dude?
I'd say over 100, I don't know.
That's what I think, dude. I'm thinking like 115 wheelbarrows to stand.
Probably about 10 more to go.
Damn, dude, your neck's like dark, dude. Your neck's darker than Jesus's. Are you worn out today, dog?
Yeah.
Football camp.
It's not terrible though.
Yeah.
Could be doing way worse.
Yes. It's Wednesday morning, June 28th. Dad, if you're watching this, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. It's a beautiful morning, Wednesday morning, June 28th, 2023. Well, my concrete guy just showed up, so we're not far from showtime. Good morning, Dax.
Hey.
How you doing this morning?
Oh, you're filming me.
Ah, man, you're my favorite concrete guy.
You're killing me.
This is Dax Reese. Him and his dad do good work.
Uh-oh.
Real good work. Dax, how long have you been doing concrete work?
Dave Price says 15 or 16.
You grew up with your dad being a builder, huh?
That's right. Yep.
So it's just naturally for you to learn to do it.
Yeah, pretty much he needed help, so never stops.
Well, you guys do good work, man. We really enjoyed this patio you guys poured.
This thing's awesome. Love what you guys have done with the place.
Thanks a lot, man. Making progress, darling.
Yeah.
Hello, sexy lady.
Some good B-roll footage. Is that the term? Right?